Days of the week. Monday. Monday.
Monday is the first day of the week.
Tuesday. Tuesday.
Tuesday is library day. Let's read books.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday wears pink. It's our favorite color.
Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday, let's bake cookies for school.
Friday. Friday.
Friday, free play at the playground.
Saturday. Saturday.
Saturday is movie night with popcorn.
Sunday. Sunday.
Sunday, let's visit Grandma and Grandpa.
Months of the year. January. January.
January is cold. Wear your warm coat.
February. February.
February brings snow. Let's build a snowman.
March. March.
March, flowers bloom. Spring is coming.
April. April.
April showers bring May flowers, so they say.
May. May.
May brings sunshine. Let's have a picnic.
June. June.
June, school's out. Let's go swimming.
July. July.
July, fireworks light up the sky.
August. August.
August, beach time. Let's build sandcastles.
September. September.
September, school starts. New friends to meet.
October. October.
October, leaves fall. Let's jump in them.
November. November.
November, Thanksgiving Day, family feast time.
December. December.
December, Christmas joy. Let's decorate the tree.
Continuation of this full video is in the description. Title of the video: Basic Fist 100 Words for Beginners. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.